So students, as we can see, there is a problem of a projection of line. States a line AB 70 mm long. So this means 70 mm is top view true length and front view true length. Okay, has its end A 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Its top view and front view measure 60 mm and 40 mm respectively. Draw the projections of the line and determine its inclination with HP and VP. So guys, now as we have to solve this problem, the first step is always drawing an XY line. So here is that XY line. Okay, X and Y. Towards the left end, I will be drawing a vertical line and I will be calling this line as end projector of A. Okay, on this line I will be taking the position of A, that is 10 mm above HP, that is 10 mm above XY. So this is the inclination, this is the intersection of the EPA with XY, and this is 10 mm above XY and 15 mm below, that means somewhere over here. Okay, so I'll be drawing two parallel lines to XY passing through these 2 points, and I'll be naming those 2 points and the lines as locus of A dash and locus of A. This point is A dash, this point is A. Now, the important data, we have used 2 of the given 5 datas, like position of A dash and position of A. Now we have to be very careful about what data we are going to use next. They have given an important data that the true length of the line AB is 70 mm. But as long as we don't have any angle or any location of B dash or B, we cannot use that data. So we have to rely on something else. The next set of data that they have given is the length of the top view and the front view. And top view is 60 mm and front view is 40 mm as they have stated. But again, since we don't have the locus of B dash or the locus of B, we cannot use that data directly, and even we don't have values of alpha and beta as well. So what we have to do? We have to remember an important fact that front view is equal to the elevation length and the top view is equal to the plan length. So now what I am going to do is I am going to plot the EL on the locus of A dash, that is 40 mm. So let me take 40 mm distance in here. This is 40 mm. This line is EL, right? And the next data that they have given is the length of PL, and they have stated that PL is 60 mm. So from A, I will be measuring 60 mm. So somewhere over here, and I will be plotting PL on it. So you can see this is EL, the blue line, and this is brown line is PL. So PL and this is EL. As we know, we get EL when we project the end point of top view true length, and we get PL when we project the end point of front view true length. So I will be projecting this B2 dash point downwards, which is the end point of EL, and I will be projecting this B1 point upwards, expecting it to be the locus of PL. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a distance equal to 70 mm, which is the true length. Okay, and I'll place my rounder at A dash and I'll cut on the projection of B1. Similarly, I will place my rounder at A and cut over here. Okay, I'll name these 2 points as point B1 dash and point B2. Okay, from these 2 points, I will be drawing horizontal lines. This is first horizontal line and this is the second horizontal line. Okay, this is locus of B and this is locus of B dash. Now that's it. Now you can see that I have drawn FVTL and TVTL, okay, and I have marked angles theta and phi. Now our job is to find the front view, and that we will get by rotating this EL and cutting the locus of B dash. So I have taken the distance equal to EL in my rounder and I have created one arc. This point is B dash. Now I will be taking distance equal to my PL over here and I will be rotating it till it intersects the locus of B. Okay, so we have 2 points, point number 1 B dash and point number 2 B. Now what we have to do, we have to connect these 2 lines. We have to connect the entire front view and top view so that we will be able to identify the lengths of FV and TV. Okay, so I'll be connecting the top view first. This is my top view. Okay, I'll be connecting the front view now. This is my front view. This whole angle is alpha and this whole angle is beta. Now the last check that we have to do is we have to check whether a vertical straight line passes through B dash and B. So the same line should pass from both the lines, and if we get that, as we are getting over here, you can see this vertical line, this is our end projector of B. Okay,